वर्ब में एस और ईएस का फॉर्म लगाकर प्लूरल बनाया जाता है। सो टेंस So my dear students, as in my previous video I explained you all the rules for the conversion from active voice to passive voice. Today here we are going to learn with some examples. In very easy way we will go from active voice to passive voice. Here first of the example I have taken these examples from the assertive sentences. Number 1, active voice, the boy writes a letter. Here subject the boy, verb writes a letter, object. We have to find the tense of the verb. So tense of the verb is simple present tense, writes. Boy is singular subject, with singular subject we are using plural verb. बॉय एक सिंगुलर होने के कारण प्लूरल वर्ब का यूज किया है। प्लूरल वर्ब जब यूज करते हैं सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में तो वर्ब में एस और ईएस का फॉर्म लगाकर प्लूरल बनाया जाता है। सो टेंस इज सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस एंड रूल फॉर द एक्टिव टू पैसिव इज एमआर प्लस पीपी। सो हाउ विल वी कन्वर्ट इट? पैसिव वॉइस, subject will be object and object will be subject. A letter is written by the boy. Is written, is singular subject के साथ में is का यूज हुआ है और write verb का past participle form written. Now the second example, active voice, Shamita took my pen. Shamita subject, took verb, my pen object. Subject changes into object, object changes into subject. Then tense we have to find. Took is the simple past tense. For simple past tense, the rule is was or were plus pp. Shamita is singular, my pen is also singular, so we will use here was. हम यहाँ पर नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट जो सब्जेक्ट में कन्वर्ट होता है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली हेल्पिंग वर्ब का यूज करेंगे। My pen, this pen is singular, हम was का यूज करेंगे। Passive voice will be my pen was taken. Took का take का second form is took, past form और past participle form is taken. My pen was taken by Shamita. Third sentence, active voice, the boy can drive the car. Subject the boy, can drive is a verb and the car object. Again I will repeat, subject object में convert होता है, object subject में convert होता है, place change होती है दोनों के according to the number of जो यहाँ पर object है, जब वो subject का काम करेगा तब हम उसके accordingly helping verb का use करते हैं। Here can drive shows the simple future tense. So the passive voice will be future tense के लिए be plus pp का यूज होता है। So now the passive voice of this sentence is the car can be driven. Drive past participle form is driven by preposition the boy. The car can be driven by the boy. Now, the fourth example is of the active voices. Children are stealing oranges from the garden. Here, children subject, oranges object, are stealing is the verb. We have to find which tense it is telling about you. Tense is are stealing, it is present continuous tense. For present continuous tense, we are using helping verb plus being plus past participle. So for the passive voice we will use oranges are being stolen. Steal third form or past participle form is stolen from the garden by the children. Here orange is plural, So we have used are. If singular is there, we could use is. Now, next example is Neha was telling stories in the class. What is subject here? Neha. Object, stories. And the verb was telling is showing the past continuous tense. For the past continuous tense, we are using was a verb plus being plus past participle. So, passive voice will be subject is object, object is subject. That time, the stories were being told by Neha in the class. Stories plural, so we have used verb. The next example is of active voice. He has sent a notice to his tenant. Here, subject is he, but there is two objects. First is notice, and another is his tenant. So, first is notice is direct object. This is indirect object. Whenever you are getting the answer by the asking question what, that time it will be direct object, and if you are asking the question by whom it is indirect object. So subject he, notice object, tenant object. That time we will find we can make two types of voice, passive voice by this sentence. One I am telling you, tense is has sent. Sent is the past participle form of the verb send. As you know, in perfect tenses already we are using the third form or the past participle form of the verb. So first passive voice is a notice has been sent to his tenant by him. Here subject he is changed into him. So another sentence we can make by using tenant. So we will write his tenant has been sent a notice by him. The next Now the next example is of the active voice I have taken. We had bought a book. Here we subject, object the book. I would like to tell you we changes into us as I told you in last video. So tense here is had bought. It is past perfect tense. We have to use been plus pp. For the passive voice, subject into object and object into subject. That time a book had been bought by us. Next example, the police might have arrested the thief. Here the police subject might have arrested, it is the verb, and the thief it is object. So we have to find the tense or identify the tense first. Might have arrested, this is future perfect tense. Now with future perfect tense we are using been plus pp along with helping verb. So the passive voice of this tense will be the thief might have been arrested by the police. Here the thief was that time object. It has been converted into the subject, and the subject police is at the place of object. Next, number 9. The boys are about to break the window. This is little different question. Here are about to break, यहाँ मतलब ऐसा है are about to break यानी करने वाले हैं, तो ये फ्यूचर को शो करता है. तो सब्जेक्ट इज the boys, object the window, and the verb is are about to break. Then tense is future tense, helping verb plus be plus pp we have to use. So the passive voice will be the window is about to be broken. Broken is the third form or past participle form of break by the boys. Again I will repeat it. The window is about to be broken by the boys. Next is another type of sentence. Active voice. I am going to drive a car. Here, I is subject. I am going to drive. It is verb and drive is a verb and a car is an object. I am going to drive a car. It is showing the future tense. In future tense, we have to use helping verb plus be plus pp. So the passive voice of this sentence will be a car is going to be driven by me. I changes into me. Thanks for watching my video and please do like, share, comment and subscribe.